Did you know you can monitor your entire solar system, from panel performance to battery health, all from your smartphone? In this video, I'll show you how to combine the SmartESS app with a JK BMS to create a powerful, real-time solar monitoring setup. Whether you're running an MPP Solar, EASUN, or any Voltronic-based inverter with a Wi-Fi plug Pro, this guide is for you. We'll go step-by-step through setup, configuration, and optimization, and by the end, you'll have full visibility into your inverter and your batteries. Let's get started. Most people either monitor their inverter or their battery, but not both. SmartESS gives you great visibility over your inverter, AC output, load power, solar input, and overall system performance. But it doesn't tell you much about your battery's internal condition, especially at the cell level. That's where a JK BMS comes in. With active balancing, detailed logs, and full protection settings, the JK BMS gives you insight into cell voltages, charge-discharge currents, balancing behavior, SOT, temperature, and more. By using both, you can monitor your full system from end to end, and catch issues before they turn into failures. Here's how the system looks at a glance. You have your solar panels feeding into an inverter, like the MPP Solar 5048 milligrams. The inverter is connected to a 48V LiFePO₄ battery, managed by a JK-B1A24S15 PBMS. The inverter communicates wirelessly to your SmartESS app using a Wi-Fi plug Pro, and your JK BMS connects via Bluetooth to the JK app or Xiaoxiang BMS viewer. Together, they provide real-time monitoring on both power production and battery health, in parallel. Let's start with SmartESS setup. First, plug the Wi-Fi plug Pro into your inverter's communication port. Make sure it's powered and blinking. Now open the SmartESS app and register your device. Link your inverter using the QR code or by searching on the LN. Once connected, you'll see the home dashboard, showing real-time PV generation, battery percentage, and load. Now go to the Analysis tab. By default, it shows AC output voltage. But here's a tip most people miss. Tap, select selected items, and a hidden menu appears at the bottom. From there, you can pick multiple data streams to display, like PV input current, battery charging current, or discharge current. Press confirm, and the graph updates with dual-axis scaling. You can view up to 3 curves at once. Super useful for tracking system behavior over time. You can even go back to previous days and confirm peak current draw or generation, helping you size your system for safe operation. Now let's move to the battery side. To set up your JK BMS, first wire it to your LiFePO₄ battery. In our example, we're using a 16S48V battery with a JK-B1A24S15 PBMS that includes active balancing. Use 2224 AWG balance wires to connect each cell's positive terminal to the corresponding pin on the BMS harness, from cell 1 to cell 16. Double-check your voltage sequence, this is critical. Now connect the power cables from the BMS to your inverter and charger. Ensure proper polarity and fuse protection on the positive line. Next, download the JK BMS app on your phone and connect via Bluetooth. Inside the app, set your key parameters. Battery type, LiFePO₄ cell OV/UV thresholds, for example 3.65V max, 2.5V min, charge-discharge current limits, balance, start voltage and balance current optional, enable alarms, SOC auto-learning, or cell temperature protection. The app also lets you calibrate current readings, save data logs, and run balancing tests. Here's the smart way to use both apps together. Use SmartESS to monitor your daily solar production, load consumption, and inverter performance. It's your real-time dashboard, ideal for quick checks. Use the JK BMS app as your diagnostic tool. Every few days, check cell imbalance, charge-discharge peaks, total cycle count, SOC accuracy, alarm history. If something's wrong with your battery, the BMS will show it first. Bonus tip: keep both apps installed on a dedicated tablet, mounted near your solar gear. This gives you instant access to system health at a glance. A few quick tips to get the most from this setup. Use SmartESS analysis data to confirm whether your inverter is drawing too much current. If so, consider thicker cables or reducing your load. Monitor PV input voltage to see if you're underutilizing your solar array. You might benefit from rewiring panels in series. Use JK BMS logs to detect a weak or degrading cell early, before it drags down your system. Set your charging and discharging current limits conservatively. LiFePO₄ batteries last longer at lower C rates. Periodically check temperature readings in both apps, especially during hot summers or high load events. Want to take it further? Some users integrate JK BMS data into Home Assistant or use RS-485 modules to send both inverter and BMS data to a central Raspberry Pi server. You can also export SmartESS data to CSV for performance logging, useful for diagnosing long-term trends or sharing with your installer. And that's it. Your full solar monitoring stack is now live. With SmartESS watching your inverter and JK BMS watching your battery, you've got total control over your off-grid system, in real time, from anywhere. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more solar, off-grid and battery integration content every week. Let me know in the comments if you want a follow-up video on advanced JK BMS alarms or SmartESS graph tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.